Right guys, welcome back to another comparison video. Today we've got the giant StoicFX taking on XM Broker. Thank you very much for your comments on our last video with the suggestive broker to choose. Today we are picking XM, and let's see how they stand against Stoic, who won in our last battle. Now before I jump in, I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for educational purposes only. Here we have StoicFX. We are going to be starting with these, the ones that won our last. We can see they have a 5-star. We have global standards to ensure clients trade in a secure space. You can trade with confidence with Stoic. We'll have access global markets, experience top-tier execution, and grow your trading skills with a partner you can trust. Nice and simple, easy button. Get started, open an account, multiple different options as well. But let's go through and see a little bit more about them. Now, why StoicFX, okay? So what we can see here is competitive trading conditions. It has low spreads and swift execution across major forex pairs and CFDs, ensures you enjoy tight pricing, reliable order fulfillment. With flexible leverage options, you can tailor your trader approach to match your risk appetite. Trusted and transparent. Transparency is paramount at Stoic, with straightforward fee structures that eliminate hidden charges. So what you see is always what you pay. New trading technology. Their high-speed infrastructure aims to minimize slippage, providing precise execution and seamless trading experience. They also have a 24/5 customer service available via phone, email, and or live chat, ensuring you receive prompt assistance whenever questions or issues arise. Now, market access. What do they have access to? Forex, indices and commodities, cryptocurrencies, and multiple other markets. You can click on that button and look through them completely. Obviously, the cryptocurrency is 24/7. The others will be 24/5. 8 powerful benefits of trading with Stoic: the ultra competitive spreads, fast and reliable execution, wide range of markets, secure and compliant environment, user-friendly platforms and tools, easy deposit withdrawals, dedicated educational support, and a flexible account type and leverages. They have multiple different platforms. You can have the famous and most trusted MetaTrader 5, or even go for their web trader, but they have a lovely mobile app where you can trade on the go, manage and get notifications of your trade alerts and the price updates. Multiple different 5-star reviews from different clients, and then their FAQs at the bottom. Right, today's sponsor is SMM Go. That's smmgo.io. Link is in the description. It's the ultimate SMM panel for growing your online presence. Now, with over 4,000 services across Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and even LinkedIn, they've got real results at unbeatable prices. Now, we're talking lightning fast delivery, 24/7 orders, and prices starting at just less than a cent. Okay, so it's simple, scalable, and trusted by thousands worldwide. So if you want social growth that actually sticks, check out that link in the description, and let's jump back in. Now let's head on over to XM. Okay, so this is obviously our first hurdle. I'm in the UK. It's not actually available in the UK, but we're going to stay on here anyway. I'll give a good honest review and then we'll go from there, because obviously there's going to be viewers in multiple different countries, but I'm not too familiar where these are available. But we'll take a look. So this is XM with 15 years, trusted by over 15 million traders. Trade with us today, stay for a lifetime. I would if I could. Enjoy low spreads, exceptional conditions, and super fast execution. They can see they have access to over 1,400 global assets, from Euro, USD, US 500, gold, coffee, and Apple. Now, as we can see here, explore our traders' favorites. These are the top 4 reasons our clients love trading with us. You have your XM app, live education, news and analysis, and a trading central. Now, results are proven in numbers. They have 10.3 billion trades have been executed on XM platforms. 0 rejections or requotes on trades. 92.9% withdrawals are automatically approved. Tight spreads, lower as 0.8, no hidden costs, seamless execution, and instant withdrawals. Your funds are kept safe and secure. Trade with confidence with multi-regulated broker. Rely on award-winning support whether you need us for just a few seconds. 24/7 and extensive language options with multiple different ones. We can see the XM app here, platforms MetaTrader 4 and 5 as well, and account types. And then if we go to the top, if we click on Discover, there are multiple other tools and education sections as well. Account types, market types, offering MetaTrader 4, and then a bit more about the company as well. But there we have it, guys. We've gone through XM and also StoicFX. Now, let me know down in the comments your opinion before I release the person that I believe came out on top. Now for me, I think StoicFX comes out on top again. Not only are they a lot more transparent and a lot more to the point, there isn't any like roundabouts or hurdles to jump over. For me personally, obviously I am a trader by trade, so I know what XM are going on about, but it's not very beginner friendly. They obviously have beginner friendly tools. However, listing the pairs that they offer, for example, like coffee, Apple, Euro USD, US 100, like obviously I know what they are, but as a beginner you wouldn't have a clue. Is that the only ones I can trade? But the main hurdle for me is it's not available in the UK. So this is obviously only available for select countries. It didn't actually tell me what countries it is available in, so that's a bit of a hurdle as well. So you might have to do your own due diligence. Link will be down in the description for our winner of StoicFX. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, press that bell to be notified of my next video. But for now, peace.